Yes. Okay. So let's start. है और भी दुनिया में सुखनवर बहुत अच्छे, कहते हैं कि गालिब का है अंदाज़े बयान और. There are many brilliant poets in the world, but they say Ghalib's style of expression is unique. This couplet squarely applies to Veda, a cricketer par excellence. She is indeed one and only, truly unique, above all, a woman of substance who does not miss any opportunity to do philanthropy. The Indian cricket star Veda Krishnamurthy, the youngest in the family of 3 sisters and a brother, had a great support system, encouragement from her family. With a clear vision, sheer hard work and dedication, she started chasing her dreams. She became the vice captain at the age of 17, and soon after that she was appointed as the captain of the under-19 Karnataka team. In 2017, Indian women's cricket took a drastic turn by qualifying in the finals of the ICC Cricket World Cup in England. This was the major turning point in her career as she was a part of the qualifying team. She was the first Indian woman to score the fastest 50 in the World Cup and became the 3rd Indian to feature in WBBL, Women Big Bash League, which is held in Australia every year. She has been a fighter all her life, and her attitude towards the game is something that has attracted many. She is one of the most agile fielders of our country and has earned a huge fan following for herself. Veda is a proud Kannadati who loves her state and people. Apart from her time on the field, she loves spending time with her friends, watching movies, and has a great sense of style and fashion. She is one of the most esteemed clients who carries off Vandana Raj collection with a great poise and grace, and we love designing for her. Veda is like a daughter to me, and I know her now from a very, very long time. So let's now welcome Veda. So let me just give me a second. I'll just check. Akansha, it's a little bit there also. Yeah. So just check. So I think I don't have to talk about a lot about Veda because everybody knows who Veda is, and she's one of the youngest cricketer of India, and she made us proud a lot. Yeah, it's here. She made us proud a lot. So just give me a second. So I think she's getting connected. So now, yes, hi.
Hi, Aarti.
Hi, Veda. Welcome to Talk to Vandana show.
Thank you. I talk to you every day.
But this is little formal platform. So we thought, okay, let me introduce to you a lot of people. I think you don't need introduction. So everybody knows you so well. So I don't think everybody needs the introduction of Veda Krishnamurthy. So in fact, I need an introduction on behalf of you. So how are you? And thank you so much for coming
My
to
pleasure,
Talk to
Aarti.
Vandana show today and making it so special for all of us.
My pleasure, Aarti.
So Veda, I think lots of people are there and excited to meet you. And today when I have sent the invite on the WhatsApp, oh my God, how many messages and thumbs up and waves and so many kisses were coming, and best of luck was coming for me. So all the blessings were coming from all of them.
Thanks, Aarti. Means a lot.
Yeah. So I think somebody is asking. So it's Veda Krishnamurthy. Her name is. So Veda.
Yes.
So what has been your, let's start to ask you certain questions.
Well,
So
you
I
anyways
think
question
you,
me a
I
lot.
think
This
you
normal
are,
question.
I know, I think you are telling to a lot of people, but
Yeah.
on my platform, yes, it's the first time. So
Yes.
what has been your turning point in your career? Like, how does it feel to play for India? Like, if little bit of your journey, like what age you started and how it's come into you, and how
No,
you have been here.
I started quite young. I was 12 when I moved to Bangalore for cricket.
Oh,
I'm
really?
from
Very, very
Padur. My
young.
parents still live there.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I mean, I had this crazy liking towards cricket, and I wanted to be a cricketer. So I came here, started my journey, and it's like I think I've been very fortunate to have a family who supported me. Though at that in 2005, obviously nobody would have expected women's cricket to be this big, and to have a daughter play cricket and all of that. I think my parents didn't let that come to me.
Mm-hmm.
And I keep saying whenever I meet people, like, it's like I end up meeting right people at right time, so that my
Yeah,
life
I think
journey
that's
has been
the thing.
really
Yes. Uh,
really what do you say, it's really been smooth. I've not had any problems like that. I've not had problems with people stopping me from playing cricket. I've not had the issues with society, school, college. Everything is just gone. It's just been smooth, is what I can say.
really, and your family also has supported you and taken
Always, they've
quite.
always supported me. That's why I said I've been so fortunate that it never came to me being like the youngest at home. I had actually no issues from anybody in the family. Nobody stopped me from playing cricket. Nobody
Mhm.
came to me and told like your studies is getting it's taking a back seat because of cricket, being a girl and all of that. I think that those conversations never happened at home. Like
Seriously?
my grades started becoming bad once I got a little serious with cricket, because I used to be 90% of before I started cricket. But I think it really didn't matter at home. I used to come back and say I've got only 70%, and I used to be like, this to be fine, it's okay. They never
It's
told me that you have to.
next
I mean,
time
they
you will
never
get
told
it.
me that you have to study, so it's
Oh,
fine.
that's so nice. In fact, Veda, from past 4 weeks, I'm having a conversation with different people. I think everybody said that the family has supported them so well, and that's the
Yeah.
reason they reached to some level. So I think the family plays a great role in everybody's life.
Very true. Like, it's not going to be easy if you don't have your family's support. At some point, you probably will need a push, and I think family is
Yes,
the one which can give you that.
which can give you the push. Yeah,
Yeah.
wonderful. Okay, so I think that answer you have given it, that family support is shaping you as a woman
Yes.
career, and
Yes.
yeah. So you started at the age of, you said, 12.
12. Yeah.
12. So,
Yeah.
like, how was it then and how was it now? Like, were there any changes in, like, in the game front, like how you started in those days and now as it picked
Yeah, I
up
mean,
the cricket?
when I started, BCCI still was not connected to women's cricket. Like, we got affiliated from BCCI in 2006. So 1 year I played cricket. There used to be like women. I don't know, women's cricket something. I don't even remember. But before BCCI took over, there was like hardly any money involved. There was no good stay, good travel. But I think I've been lucky that I just joined at the right time where BCCI was involved, and everything changed for us. There was match fees, there was
Okay.
good hotels, they used to travel in flights, and and it's been a journey, quite a journey, to be honest, from 2006 to 2020. And I think today I'm sitting as someone who's taken cricket as a career, and I've been doing pretty well financially as well. And so I think it's a transformation which has taken close to 14 years, where I think from the last 3 years, girls are taking up cricket as a career option. Earlier, it used to just be like a passion thing and a fun
Yeah,
sport kind
because
of a
if
thing.
I remember, I think it was not that familiar. Like not lot of people were aware of that the women also can play cricket.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
that's the. So how do you
yeah.
think, like, how you can explain to the audience that where that change has happened? Like immediately, the nowadays the women is pretty famous in cricket. So how that change has happened? I think it's just 3 to 4 years back when you people
I
have
think
played
it
for
all
the World
started
Cup.
after the 2017 World Cup.
17 World Cup. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's been a biggest turning point for the entire women's cricket in India,
Mm-hmm.
because the amount of love what we got from the people here in India and everywhere else, like all the Indians who are living everywhere all across the globe. I think we got huge support when we played the World Cup, and to make it to the final and coming back from there, the reception we received from people, the love we received, I think that was huge. The main point is obviously the matches being on air, people getting to watch women's cricket, and at the same time, that is when people were aware that earlier people used to remember names, they were not familiar with the faces. But I think once the game started being on air is where people started recognizing people, who this is, whoever, like who, which player is there, what is the name, okay, this is what Mithali looks like, or this is what Julan looks like. So things have changed afterwards. So earlier it was only household names what it used to spread across, but now today they recognize you, and I think that gives a lot of happiness to all of us,
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
that
It's a
our
big,
hard work
big.
is come to this level where we're getting recognition for what we're doing for the country.
Yeah, that is true. That is very true. So,
Yeah.
would you like to share something about that 2017? I think that was a women's Big Bash League, right?
No, I can't
Yeah.
hear
Can
you,
you?
Auntie.
Okay. Can you hear me
Hello?
now? So what was your experience like Women Big Bash League? Because that was, I think, the longest stay in Australia when you stayed there, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not
Yeah.
mistaken. Yeah.
I stayed
Okay.
close to
Okay.
2 months
So
there.
two
It was
months. Acha,
different.
okay. I actually thought it's 1 month or so. Okay.
No,
So
I
would
stayed
you
for
like to
two
share
months,
that
all by
experience
myself.
with us?
Well, that was first tournament where I've traveled by myself with no team around, going to a complete new setup, new people. I think I took a lot. I took closely a month to get used to everything around that, because the culture is so different. It's not like in India where you're like you're bored and you just randomly pick on your teammates and say chal bahar jate hai. You can't do that. There it is all organized. You need to plan before, 2 days before, to check if the other person is available and free and willing to go. Can't force people to do things there. Yeah, pe to it's very easy. I
Acha,
mean, you should
acha.
be knowing that, because I do it with your daughter very often.
That is true. That is true.
Yeah. And I've
Yeah.
received lecture also from you because of that.
What is that?
I said I've received lecture also for that, for doing that. Dragging your daughter with me everywhere.
Yes, yes, yes. So I think I'm a strict mom. So you are lucky you didn't have such a strict mom.
No, you're a cool mom. But the problem is you want to be strict. I
No,
think
no,
you
no.
have
I
that. You
think you are
get kicked
mistaken.
when you
I
become
am a
strict.
strict mom.
No, you're a cool mom. I think you get kicked out of being strict. You want everything under control. ज्यादा
Oh my
सूट तो नहीं
god.
दे रही मैं.
Oh my god. You wanted to say that you are you know me, huh? You know me
I
well.
do know you. Remember, I have been your lockdown partner.
Oh
I like
yes,
you need to tell
that's
how
a
good a cook I am.
that's a big nice story. I will share with the audience that in the lockdown we locked down for a month or so together,
Yeah.
and I
You
think
should tell
that's the
how good a
time
cook
when
I am.
that's the time when we both have a lot of communication
Yeah, earlier auntie
every
never
day.
gave me time. She only used to give me time to give lecture, to scold me.
So no, in fact, I was just remembering today that we were. In fact, you made me watch Buddha. And I said, oh
Yeah.
my God, Veda is going to spirituality. Okay, that's wonderful, nice.
Well, I left it halfway, if I remember. Until the lockdown. And the lockdown got over, I went back home. That's it. I didn't watch after that.
Yeah, but I completed fully. Thanks to
No,
you.
I
I learned a
watched
lot.
in the nice part. I think, and then it was getting all depressive and sad as I thought. Then the many things.
Very big. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think now again we will watch once again when you back here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. So Veda, like I have seen you traveling for your tournaments quite regularly.
Hmm.
How do you cope with your family? How does the family cope up with you? Your family is in Kudur, right? So
Yeah,
how your
Kaduna.
parents feel it? Are they missing you, or how you cope up like so many days out? And are you missing home? The
No, I think
homesickness is there.
I think I never had homesickness because when I was young, I think I started karate when I was 8, and I
Hmm.
used to travel for karate, not for longer times like cricket, but I
Hmm.
still used to be away for like 4 5 days, and I used to. I mean, obviously I was the only girl, so
Hmm.
there used to be my friends who were all boys, and I used to just travel with the master then, and it really didn't matter to me. I was like, I want to go, I want to go, it's fine. I don't care who's going to miss me at home. So it was the same thing when I came to Bangalore. Obviously, when we didn't have any stay or anything like that. I mean, and Irfan sir on that day called a girl, and her name is Purti. I'm in her house right now, who eventually have become a family to me. So
Hmm.
she he called her and she said, okay, she's going to stay in your house. Is it okay? And she immediately said yes. And she was what, a year elder to me.
Okay.
So a kid taking a decision, I came home and I was bent upon. And her parents were not in town. So uh, they had gone to her mother's mom's place, so her grandmom's place. So there's nobody at home apart from her and the house help, Lakshmi. So those two were very confident. They're like, no, we'll take care, it's fine. And I kind of felt that, okay, if they are confident of taking care of me, I'm pretty sure that I can adjust and be there. So my dad was like, no, we'll go back and come back and see. Her parents are also not there. It's not going to be nice. I said, I'm not coming. I'm staying here because those two are like, no, let us stay. So I was like, okay, I'm staying. I'm not coming with you people. So I've been a decision maker from the time I'm a kid. So my
Oh
dad
my
has left me to
God.
decide.
So
Yeah.
I think that's the thing everybody should learn it, that I think you were clear from the day one
I was very
about your,
clear. I said,
yeah.
this
So
is what I
that's
want.
very important, Veda. I think this is what lacking sometimes.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it is a family pressure to the kids or what it is. Sometimes the children, they are unable to take the decisions of their own,
No, I
probably
think
emotional.
it's not about they're not able to take decision. It is just that I personally feel they're scared if they decide something and it goes wrong, and they're
No,
scared of the things which is going to happen surrounding
taking
them.
responsibility.
Yeah. So
Basically, taking
yeah,
responsibility.
I don't know if they're going to be like, oh, let me not do it, it's fine, rather than
Huh.
taking blame for something wrong.
Huh.
So I think that one thing my dad has let me do it. He's let me take decisions, even if I've gone wrong. He comes and tells me like, see, this is why I told you that don't do it. I said, okay, next time I won't do it. At least I've done it, so I don't have that urge to do it, whatever
Yeah.
it is, whatever decision it is. So I think that is one thing which has been very helpful for me from the time I'm 12. He's let me decide my own things.
That's wonderful. So I think the all credit goes to your parents as well.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Definitely your hard work. And I
Yeah,
think it's most and less your family. Your sisters
yeah,
also. I think your sisters also has played a great role in your
yeah. My
life.
sister's been my second mom, so
Second.
she is the one who took care of me.
Yeah, yeah. And I think if you can just tell audience that how much difference you have with your sisters, the older sister
14,
and you,
14 and a half
14
years.
years. It's
Yeah,
long. It's really,
yeah,
really long. You're right. But she's
yeah,
like your mom.
yeah.
That's wonderful. Okay, so Veda, so like in this career, do you think like nowadays it's very everybody's talking about mental health So I feel when you are on that stage, when you reach to, you know, that successful pattern, kind of celebrity kind of a thing. And do you think that pressure comes in ups and downs? Any ups and downs comes? Any pressure you
Yes,
feel? So how do
there
you
is.
manage that? Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of self-doubt you get. You're not sure of what you're doing. There are a lot of negative thoughts that come in your head. And over the last 1 year or so, is something what I figured out is go and talk to the concerned person rather than trying to solve it on my own. So I've been very vocal amongst the coaching staff in the last 1 year. I'd like to say that I go to the coaches. I tell them like, this is what I have in my head. Is it right? How do you want me to go about it? I think that is kind of gave me a more clarity rather than me coming up with solutions, trial and errors, wasting time over things. I think straight away go and ask the concerned person what it is, and he's always helped me. The coach who's there now, WE sir, he's always been very straightforward and very blunt on my face, saying that this is what you have to do. What you're thinking doesn't make sense. So those things have actually helped me. And over the period also, I figured that having friends and having family, you actually kind of pick a certain person to tell things, who's going to take it in a nicer way, like who will listen to it rather than giving me solutions. So I think I've been able to pick and choose who's going to do that. So I just randomly go and burst out my emotional stuff to those designated people, and it's sorted, so it's fine.
Yeah, so that's nice. I think you can give this message to the audience, like today's youth. You know, if like we should go to the concerned person and take a help rather than thinking of our
Yeah, I
own and
think the
going into
best
our
part
own shell.
about dealing
Yeah,
this is to talk.
yeah.
There's no point keeping it inside you. It's not gonna get you anything. You're gonna lose your sleep over it, so you might as well go and talk to someone so that you can sleep peacefully.
Yeah, wonderful.
Yeah.
That's really nice. So, so you were among the top 10 of the most. This is a question I think Akanksha has written for me. So,
Mm.
top 10 of the most desirable women in Karnataka in 2018, right?
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
think last time with Spurti, what we have, you were, in fact, I'm so sorry, I forgot to mention to the all the audience in the last my show that Veda was the you were the brand
Yeah, I was a
ambassador
brand.
of
Yeah.
that Spurti's KWA, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so that was a big pride to you. And I
Yeah.
think I in fact forgot to put that picture of yours because that was a nice picture. You people are in the sari
Yeah,
and
I'm wearing
taking
a sari for
the
the first
bat
time,
and
I think.
so
I
that
didn't even
was
attend my graduation day, so that was the first time I wore a sari. Weird
okay.
experience.
So so I think you love dressing up, right?
I do. I mean, I do occasionally if there's something that I need to be dressed
Hmm.
up.
Okay.
Otherwise, you've seen me the most in my casuals, wearing my just track pants or joggers and t-shirts. I think that is my comfort
But
go-to
I have
clothes.
seen you in Vandana Raj attire in a lot of functions recently, a lot
Yeah,
of occasions
yeah.
like that. When
I think that's the only time when I get dressed up when I'm wearing your clothes.
okay, that's wonderful. So who's your what is basically your style quotient? You know, what kind of a styles you like? You like more Indian? You like more
My
Western?
style is more with my comfort. I think I wear any cloth, and if I'm comfortable with it, I don't care what it is. Even if it is very flashy colors, also I really don't care if I'm comfortable and I like it. Sometimes
Okay.
my friends keep telling like, why are you dressing up like Ranveer Singh? Because ऊपर से नीचे तक कोई match ही नहीं होता. But
Huh.
I still wear it because I like it. So that's how I am.
Yeah, so I think I must tell here that Veda is my one of the best, you know, brand ambassador. In fact, for my boutique also. So I
Yeah.
think I love designing for you because I like the people who trust me and tell me, "Jo, aap bana doge, it's fine."
I think you'll never find anybody who will trusted like me, no? Who just say, "Auntie, कुछ भी बना दो, मैं पहन
कुछ भी बना
लूँगी."
दोगे. So I think I was very comfortable with that. कि okay,
Yeah,
fine. अभी मुझे पता है उसके लिए क्या बनाना है, you know.
yeah,
That I'm comfortable with designing something for her.
yeah.
So that's wonderful. And Veda, who's your favorite designer?
Of course, you, Auntie.
I think I wanted to listen that. Purposely, I brought this question. Okay, thank you so much. And do you have mood swings?
I think I should ask you. Do I have mood swings, Auntie?
No, please. This is the question from my side. You should
No, I'm
reply to
asking you. I think you know the answer.
it. इधर उधर?
बोल दो.
No. Just tell me how you handle that. When you have drastic, your graph goes up, down. So how do you?
I think, I mean, you've quite seen me in the last few months how it is. It gets. I mean, I'm someone who gets very cranky even with small things. For me, it's like something has to be done this way. It has to be done that way. And if it doesn't happen the way I've thought about it, I get really irritated. So to get away from that, what I do is I stare at my phone. I just keep scrolling up and down where I'm not doing anything. And I get scolded for that also from you. You tell phone रख दे side पे, कितना phone पे रहेगी and all of that. But it is just me, trying to calm myself. I said, "अब शांत हो जा, it's okay, शांत हो जा." So it's something
So
which I do.
that's how you do that.
Yeah.
That's nice. And Veda, nowadays, like for this lockdown, when everything is closed down, so how do you think? How are you getting bored at home, or because there's no activities going on? And
It
what's the
is
plan
quite
also?
boring. It is
It's
quite
boring.
boring. I'm not gonna lie about it, saying that it's been wonderful for me. I mean,
Okay.
I've got bored. I've been upset. I've been frustrated that cricket is not happening. But I think this is what life is now. You can't really do anything about it, and you have to live with it. And I've made a small setup of gym at home, so I just managed to do that. I make sure that I give an hour to that during the day. But the cricket part of it, I think, like it's not something which can be done virtually. So there's no point. You need people to play cricket. So
Yes.
I mean, I think we just have to wait for things to be much safer. Since I have kids at home, and I've been thinking of not going to places where a lot of people are coming because I don't want to risk. Because I have kids at home and because I have a family which I go back to. So I don't want people around me to be at risk because of me. So I think it is very important for all of them to, think in that perspective today that, it's just not about you. It's about people who are around you and who live with you. It's very
Yes.
important that
Absolutely.
take precautions and, make sure that you stay
Absolutely.
home as much as possible.
Possible. Yeah. True. And what is the scene like? Do you think any soon cricket is going to start? No.
I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I haven't been watching news. I'm just going by with whatever little update on social media here and there, but I'll be happy whenever it starts. That's all I can say.
Yeah.
I don't know when
In
it's gonna
fact,
start.
yeah. So in fact, I'll tell everyone that in lockdown, these people have played cricket. Everybody, if you can just explain
Yeah,
that everyone has played in their places, and then you connected that video and
yeah,
circulated. I think that was a wonderful move.
yeah. I mean, I just I discussed the plan with you only when I told that I'm planning something like this, and
Yeah.
you really liked it, and I called up my friends and I told them like this is what I have in my mind. Are you guys up for it? And since nothing was happening, so anything new was a task for them. I think everybody were up for it, and that video was compiled and it came out beautifully. I think that was just a random idea in isolation and lockdown which
Yeah.
came across, and I think it'll be a memory for the ones who did it, and to me that I was actually involved in it so much that I've
Yeah.
actually got into the detailing of everything, writing a script, telling people what to do, and then sitting with the editing this thing, telling them this has to come first, and then all of that. Speaking to my friend in Australia who's a commentator, uh, asking her if you can do it for me. I think everybody were game. As soon as I asked them, they said something different and nice.
Yes.
We'll do
Quite
it. So I think
innovative. Yeah, quite
yeah, it
innovative.
just came out really well.
Very, very innovative. So I think
Yeah.
the lockdown has taught a lot of people a lot of innovation. Like for me also, this talk to Vandana also started in lockdown. So this is the
Yes.
innovation of lockdown period when you are sitting and then you are innovating something different.
Yes.
Yeah. So what message would you like to give it to the youth, for what they can do now? Again, the Bangalore is becoming little bad and uh, this COVID.
No,
So,
like I said previously, like it is very important that you take precautions. I know a lot of people have to go for work, and they have to take care of a family, everything. But at the same time, you're doing it for your family. If you're risking your life, so you might as well take precautions. And for people who can avoid going out, it's better for everybody else that we follow the guidelines what the government has given us, because if we people don't act smart at this point, it's going to get worse day by day. So it is better that we all of them follow the guidelines, and make sure that we flatten the curve, and life can be back to normal again.
yeah, true. And Veda, like a lot of people, I think a lot of youth, young girls, they wanted to come into the cricket. So if you can just tell something about it, that what is the process, how they can come forward, what they need to do for that.
Well, I think at this point, it's very easy to get into cricket because a lot of academies have cricket for girls as well. So you can enroll
Okay.
in any of the academies,
Mhm.
play there. You have club cricket where you get to play, and then we have our selections where that will be announced whenever it is, and it'll be on newspaper and word of mouth. All the academies will know when the selections happening, and then they come in, they drop in, and if you're good enough, you'll be selected for those selection matches. And it's a process, it's a long process. It's not like it's something which is going to take a lot of your time. It's
Mhm.
not like you start playing today and you expect to be in the team tomorrow. It's not going to happen. You will face failures. You will face that rejections where you go for selections and you're not selected or things like that. The only thing is like not giving up on it. If you really have passion towards cricket and you want cricket to be your career, you should make sure that if despite of failures and rejection, you should stand there and say, I'm here to play. So that's when you work hard and then you give more time. That's when you become a better player, and people will take note of it.
So
So
what
it's
are the
not like
main?
huh?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
I said it's not like you join for a couple of months and you expect to be in a state team, which is
Yeah.
not going to happen.
So what do you think? It's more about the
It's about
consistency.
it's about if you want something, if you want to achieve something, give that much time to it. Because nothing is going to happen overnight. So it is a process. It's a long process. You need to make sure that you go through the process to make it big.
So I think it's more about discipline, more about consistency.
Yeah.
So that's the main points everybody has to clear about it. And I think it's a lot of hard work and
Yeah.
a lot of commitment is required. I think
Yeah.
in everything, in fact, in everything, yeah,
Yeah.
you require a proper commitment.
Yeah.
So, in fact, I will tell everyone that in lockdown we had nice fun. I think, lost quite a lot of weight because of these people, because the food, what they have taken care. Every day we were gymming on the terrace. So it was a
Yeah.
fun time, and so I think I was really excited in those days. Oh my God, कितने देर के बाद मेरी life में इतना अच्छा time आया है, where I'm
Yeah.
enjoying, and every day we had a dance party. So,
Yeah.
and yes, and I should not forget to tell that Veda is an excellent dancer as well. So Veda, can
You
you
should
tell
talk about
about
my
your
cooking
dancing
also. Tell
skills?
that I'm an excellent cook.
Yeah, cooking. Oh my God, wonderful. excellent cook also. So you can cook
Thanks.
for yourself. About your dancing skill, if you can just tell, because I think nobody knows that you were with Shamak Davar and all that. Is it?
Yeah, that was only for summer. I went only for 2 months.
Yeah, but still,
Yeah,
Hmm.
I mean, that was like a time pass thing. I wanted
Uh-huh.
something else other than cricket. More like a
Okay.
fun part of it. And since I like dancing, I felt that, I should give it a try.
So in cricket, do you have these kind of programs in between where little recreation happens or little fun,
Yeah, yeah,
fun
we
things
have a lot of
happens?
fun otherwise in
Okay.
cricket. We have our thing where we get together, sit and talk about things other than cricket. Just like a fun
Okay.
part, like where there's a lot of dance involved. I mean, a lot of people in the Indian team loves dancing, so there'll be a lot of music and we'll be dancing in that. So I think it's nice. We go for movies together. We go to restaurants together. So,
Okay.
I mean, we have a pretty good bonding, I can say that. All of us in the
Okay.
team. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. And anybody who wants to ask something from Veda, so
Before anybody asks me anything, I just want to say ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
yeah,
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
I'm so sorry. So I think I'm taking a training. So very soon I will have a
I'll be
in
the
Kannada
happiest
profession.
auntie if you start
Yes,
talking in
I'm
Kannada.
going to practice with you, Veda, for sure.
Yes.
So I think somebody is messaging in Kannada, so this you can read it, Veda.
I can't see. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, okay. So anybody wants to ask any specific question from Veda, you can
Yeah.
always ask. So this
Who's
is
asking?
the
I don't know.
okay. So I think a lot of people are saying that you were there, you were her classmate and all that, and a lot of kisses and hearts are coming for
Classmates.
you, Veda.
Classmates.
Yeah,
Which
so somebody
classmate?
messaged. Yeah, I don't know. She just messaged. I just saw it gone up now, that message.
Huh.
So when will the cricket resume? They are asking.
No idea. I think as soon as we flatten the curve, I think that's when we can play cricket because right now even interstate like traveling is so difficult. I think if it's not just people from one state play for India, there's like people from all over from India. I think
Okay.
that's something which is really important. That because we can't just travel anywhere right now, and even if for a camp or anything, and since we've been out of cricket for almost 4 months now, I think we'll need a good camp before we start playing any international games.
So somebody is asking what is the future of women in India now? No, no clue. Or
Everybody's future
definitely,
is
if
stopped.
something becomes normal, it is a
Yeah, I
normal.
think
Yeah.
everybody's life is stopped at this point. It's just not for
Yes.
cricketers.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think somebody is asking about that. If you can just talk about something about uh, where is that question? Okay, it's gone up.
It goes pretty quickly on top. You actually can't
Yeah,
miss.
correct. I
Hi,
just saw it
Kittu.
and then so it's okay.
What is one thing that cricket has taught you in terms of your personal life?
Yes.
Kittu, nice question. I think be
Ah,
nice to others. I think cricket has taught me to be nice to people. That's all I can say. Have gratitude, have
because you are
respect.
meeting so many people. Yeah.
Yeah. So other than that, cricket has taught me that, and that is a very important life lesson I can say.
In cricket, yeah, because you
To
are meeting
to be
different kind of
grounded,
people, different mentality, different way of talking,
to be
different culture.
grounded, no matter what you've done,
Hmm.
because it like cricket is bigger than anything. It's not like we're not bigger than cricket. So at any point we feel that we have done so much, or I've done this, I've done that, and if you go through a phase that you've not scored and all of it, when the game gets back to you, I think
Okay.
then you learn that cricket, you're not bigger than cricket. So you come back to Mother Earth, and then you start respecting everybody around. So I think
Yeah,
that is one thing cricket has
that's
taught me.
yeah. So I think
Yeah.
that's the one. Like you have to be a little grounded. So I think
Yeah.
that's the thing which cricket teaches you. Every game.
Yeah.
So like I have seen the game, especially when it is there at home. So I think it teaches a lot of discipline also.
True.
Yeah. So
Discipline, I think
somebody.
discipline I've always had because my dad was in army.
Oh, acha. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
discipline has always been there,
Uh-huh.
regardless.
Yeah. So I think
Yeah.
army teaches quite a the life
Yeah, it
changes with
teaches.
the army background. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It
I have a
does.
lot of friends who's into army, who left the army. They took a
Yeah.
retirement and
Yeah.
they have
Same.
really learned a lot of things from them.
The thing is, they learn and it's imbibed in them so much that come back and implement on their families also. They never
Yeah.
forget. It always comes about punctuality, discipline,
Mhm.
uh, all that things. I think. Hi, Sai. Thank you. Today, my friends are all praising me.
Huh?
Uh,
I know. See how many hearts are coming, Veda.
yeah. Kittu
So
made
lots of.
biryani today, I gave a recipe.
So what is he asking? Somebody is asking Mr. Gowda that your engineering branch. What is that? So
What branch?
I don't know. So what's that question is? It's not that clear. And please tell me Jersey story. Is it any Jersey story, Veda?
Jersey store, Jersey number. Like my number is 79.
Is it
Uh,
any story behind it?
there is a story behind it. When I debuted, I had 16. That's my birth date. And
What is that?
when I made,
16.
yeah, 16. It was 16
Okay.
before. It's 79
Okay.
now. And
Okay.
then when I was making a comeback into the Indian team, I wanted a big number.
Mm-hmm.
Big in the sense like 79, 88, 86, 99, like that. And I wanted something which is very prominent from far. And
Okay.
79 adds up to 16. And I like both
Okay.
7
7
and 9.
plus.
7
Okay.
plus 9 is 16. So
Yeah.
it adds up to
Correct.
16 anyways. And
Okay.
7, I like
That's
7
nice.
and 9, both the numbers.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought, okay, this will be something nice. And lucky that I don't have to fight for jersey number in any team I play.
Okay.
Because I think it's a very unique number. It's very rare that people have that number.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice. Somebody is asking who's your favorite cricketer
Favorite cricketer right now?
or any
I've
time?
not seen cricket in 4 months. Last time.
No, otherwise.
No, I think I don't have any favorite cricketer as such, but I do watch a lot of cricket. I do watch. If it is any team, also I watch it, and I like a good contest which is happening, and whoever is playing well, I try to pick up things by seeing. But I don't have any particular favorite cricketer, but I do love watching cricket. And
Okay.
I like everybody. I like the Indian team. They're the
Uh-huh.
best.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. And there is anything story about Yuvraj Singh? I'm just the message has gone now. No, I don't know why they are asking that question. Okay. Uh,
Well, I do. I
okay.
have met Yuvraj a couple of times in NCA. No, he's a nice person.
Okay. So would you like to talk about that?
No, he's a
Okay.
nice person. He's a very sweet guy.
Uh-huh.
That's it. I don't know anything more than that. But yeah, I don't. There's no
Okay.
story
Nice.
about him.
So correct. So I think a lot of people are now starting Indian team called you done. What is that?
Don,
Indiana. Uh,
Don.
yeah. So when would in women IPL will start? So no surety about it.
No idea.
So I think yeah. So any special message, Veda? Would you like to give it to everyone?
I think I've already spoken a lot about giving messages and telling. I just want to.
Just add on the last message and then we will.
I don't want to add on anything. I just want to thank for all of them who've come and watched
And I
this
think
live
somebody is,
thing.
sorry, somebody is asking, do you speak Telugu? If you wanted to reply in Telugu, you can.
Yeah, I do speak Telugu. నాకు తెలుగు వస్తుంది. ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. मेरे को हिंदी आती है. मला मराठी माहित है. मेरे को बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज आते हैं यार ऐसे है भी. I can speak Punjabi also here and there a little bit.
अच्छा, वो सुना दो बोल के.
आप सुना दो. दसो भी.
दसो. अच्छा, आंधी है. Very nice. Pass.
So
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, I just want to thank all of them who've come and watched the live today.
Yeah.
I'm sorry if I've not answered any of your questions because it just keeps popping up and it's
Yeah,
very
I
quick.
know it's going so fast. I'm also.
Yeah, you can't actually make out, and I just get this much space in the down on the screen to see. So I'm really sorry. Like it's a genuine sorry, heartfelt sorry that I can't really see. So I'm sorry if I've not been, if I've not responded to any of your questions or things like that. But I've tried to look for questions and answer, but I'm really sorry.
But
Yeah.
I think anyways, let people ask if specific question, they can put it in the comments on our
Yeah.
page and or Veda's page. I think Veda will reply them.
Yeah, I think I'll try and reply. And a lot of people I see that they've complained that I don't reply to their comments on my post.
Yeah.
Well, I'll try and do it from the next time.
Yeah.
But it's not something that I ignore or anything. It's just that it just misses out every time.
No
But,
issues,
yeah.
no issues, Veda. And thank you so much for coming to this show.
Thank you, Auntie. It's been a pleasure talking to you like
and
this.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone who has come and attended this thing. And I think it's pretty motivated. And like always, I say that there should be some clarity and family. So let us talk about a little bit.
I think
of
you
family.
love that
So
factor, isn't it?
Yeah. What
You
is
love
that?
that family factor, isn't it?
That's what I say. Let the family support everyone. To the children, I started talking a lot about to the parents. You know, I feel the parents has to change themselves a lot.
Yeah.
So it's very important in their child's growth. The parent support is very important. So parent needs to be a little bit more open and more broader things. Yeah.
Yeah. Before you go, खाने पे क्या बना है? If it is interesting, tell me. I'll come.
Of course, you come. Then I'll cook for you. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay,
Veda.
Auntie,
Thank you
bye.
so
See you.
much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Namaskara to everybody. So I think it was pretty like I was very comfortable talking to her because she's just like a daughter to me, because mostly every second day we are sitting together. So it's a little bit informal conversation. So I think that made me also very comfortable, and hope you people enjoyed it. So thank you so much. Thanks for coming. So let's meet up now next week with something very special for you again. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.